Reading practice number 5 of lesson 10. Dear Professor Moses, why are people in Atlanta switching their car insurance to national ? They are switching because paragraph number 1, they find that we can save them 15% or more on their car insurance. Paragraph number 2, they like the efficient way in which our 15 offices in Atlanta serve their needs. Paragraph number 3, they know that we render good, fast claim services. Paragraph, why not invite our agent to read your policy? Period. If they find that you can save by insuring with national, they will tell you so. Period. But if they find that your policy is as good as ours, they will not try to get you to change. Paragraph, there is no charge for this service. Period. If you would like to have it, I will be happy to arrange it. Professor Moses. Period. Simply call me at open parenthesis 703 close parenthesis 555-5176. Period. Yours very truly. Oral reading number 6 of lesson 10. Dear parents, have you had an half hour or so to read the pamphlet on Grand Island Camp that we sent you? If you have, we are sure you like the steps Grand Island Camp has taken to be sure that your daughter will have a pleasant vacation. Paragraph, applications for July at Grand Island Camp are currently arriving at the rate of 4 or 5 a day. Period. As we can take care of only 200 campers, we anticipate that all our space will be assigned by early June. Paragraph, if you would like your daughter to spend 2 weeks at Grand Island Camp, please mail your application by June 2 at the latest. Period. We don't want to find it necessary to write you that we can take your daughter because your application didn't reach our office by the closing date. Period. Sincerely yours. Reading practice number 7 of lesson 10. Mrs. Band, as you know, last week I asked Mr. Tremp to prepare 2 mailing pieces on our new line of matrices. Period. I am attaching copies of the 2 pieces Mr. Trent wrote. Period. I am well pleased with his copy. Period. I will have our printer print 10,000 copies of each of these mailing pieces. Period. 4,000 copies will be sent to our Dallas office. Period. 4,000 copies will be sent to our Erie office. Period. 2,000 will be kept here in our main office on Park Avenue. Period. I am sure that these mailing pieces will increase our sales of mattresses in the full. Period. Barry Smith. Reading practice number 8 of lesson 10. Dear Andrew, as you know, our salesman in the East, Bob Moses, left my staff to take position with the Carpenter Meat Processing Corporation in Flint. Paragraph. An hour or so I go, a chap by the name of Bill Landry came in to see me. Period. He applied for the job. Period. During his visit, he said he know you well. Period. In fact, he said that he often played golf with your sister. Paragraph. He left me with the feeling that he is a talented, efficient man who would do well as a salesman for our firm. Paragraph. Do you share my feeling? Question mark. Sincerely. Reading practice number 9. Dear Professor Sanders, here is an offer that is a real bargain. Period. For $520, you can get a trip to Paris this winter, as well as 50 hours of French lessons while you are in Paris. Period. You may rightly wonder if you can learn French in only 50 hours. Period. With our efficient new methods, though, you will be surprised at the proficiency you will achieve. Period. If you would like more facts, call our main offices at 555-1187, period. If you prefer, see your local travel agency, period. The agents are familiar with all our travel plans, period. Sincerely yours.